Meaning of honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon is a type of sweet and juicy fruit that belongs to the muskmelon family. The fruit typically has a smooth, light green skin and a pale, creamy flesh that is packed with water and nutrients. It is known for its refreshing taste and distinct texture, which is often described as being slightly firm but also tender. Honeydew melons are a good source of vitamins C and B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. They are commonly used in fruit salads, smoothies, and other desserts, and can also be eaten on their own as a healthy and delicious snack.